everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Just wanted to fix and go on my bike ride, but I wanted to take this moment to thank everyone. I passed the 1,000 subscriber mark, and so I want to thank everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it, and you know, I'm kind of humbled because you know, who'd want to watch an old guy like me?
Sure is a cute old guy.
So anyways, I want to thank everyone. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. And you showed what an old man can do if he just puts his mind to it. So I thank everyone who subscribed, and I'm hoping to keep right on going here.
May the good Lord take a liking to you.
Hallelujah.
May He spread His blessings on your trail.
Hallelujah.
May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.